In the US, your credit score is more than just a number. It's your financial DNA. It determines your mortgage rate, your car loan, and even your ability to rent a home. If you are stuck in the 600s, you're literally losing thousands of dollars in interest every year. Today, at Smart Money Moves, I'm going to show you the 3 exact hacks to break into the Elite 800 Club in record time. No fluff, just the moves that actually work. Number 1. Mastering the utilization ratio, understanding the 10% vs 30% rule. Most gurus tell you to keep your credit utilization under 30%, but if you want an 800 score, 30% is too high. You need to stay under 10%. Here's the pro move. Find out your statement closing date, not your due date. Pay your balance down to 5% before that statement closes. This way, the bank reports a low balance to the credit bureaus, even if you spend more during the month. Number 2. The credit limit power move, how to increase limits without a hard pull. The easiest way to lower your utilization is to increase your total credit limit. Every 6 months, call your card issuer or use their app to request a credit limit increase. The secret? Ensure it is a soft pull only. By increasing your limit from $5,000 to $10,000, your $500 balance suddenly drops from 10% utilization to just 5%. Your score will jump almost instantly. Number 3. Authorized User Piggybacking, how to inherit good credit history safely. This is the fastest hack for beginners. If you have a family member or spouse with a long-standing credit card and a perfect payment history, ask them to add you as an authorized user. You don't even need to use the physical card. Their decades of perfect history will reflect on your report. It's like a credit score cheat code to boost your average age of accounts. Building an 800 score isn't magic, it is discipline. Start with these 3 hacks today. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into mastering your money in 2026, hit that subscribe button for Smart Money Moves. Let's build that wealth together.